Well, the K620T keyboard from EpoMaker. I think this keyboard started out as a Kickstarter project, but I just found out about it a couple of weeks ago. And that's why I bought it straight from the EpoMaker website. And it's still available and retails for exactly $75. In the box there's the manual, USB-A to USB-C cable for, well, charging and wide use, a couple of extra keycaps and a plasticky keycap puller. First thing I noticed when taking this keyboard out of the box was that the backspace print is a little crooked, and that the F and J keys, they have this different shape to them as the rest of the keys. Now, this board comes with two options when it comes to switches. This blue Ajazz clicky switch, and there's a pink linear option. Now, unfortunately, I couldn't find any more information on these switches, apart from them being blue and pink and clicky and linear. And I also can't compare them to the switch from a more noticeable brand, because I don't have any experience regarding that. But I gotta say, they feel pretty good, and typing on this keyboard is very nice. The reason I got so excited about this board in the first place is this little slot, this cutout at the top, which can be used for placing mobile devices in it, which works great with this board as it has Bluetooth and you can connect any device really. And I thought, man, that's the perfect board for me. I'm close to writing my bachelor's thesis, and I planned on writing that on my iPad Pro 11-inch. Just to find out that the iPad Pro 11-inch doesn't even work with this slot, which was really disappointing. It's just too thin, and I got a quick fix working, just putting a piece of tissue paper in there and like making this slot tighter, because I've seen other videos where people put like a different iPad in there, and that actually stuck in place, but the shape of the iPad Pro seems to be a problem. It's too slim. I think it's quite a bummer for this board, you know, having this very unique selling point, this very unique feature, well, at least in this price range and this form factor, and then not having it perfected enough so that like the flagship tablet on the market right now doesn't really work with it. Yeah, again, I found it quite disappointing. Anyways, moving on, we have the RGB lighting, which has a vast array of different lighting effects, which in my opinion all look very nice, although I don't see myself using them very often. There's 19 lighting modes in total, and on the website they claim about 50 hours of battery use, using the RGB lighting compared to 880 hours of use with no RGB lighting. You can connect the keyboard by pressing the function key and either Q, W or E. It can connect and save up to 3 devices, and then it will come up as the Ajazz Fang keyboard. What I found really cool about this keyboard is that by pressing the function key and the left control key, you turn the topmost row of your keyboard, the number row, into a function key row. This allows you access to brightness controls and also volume controls of your iPad or tablet. As to further functionality, the Windows key turns into the command key, like in macOS, essentially allowing all of the regular desktop operations, like copy, paste, select all. Also, there's a hidden arrow key function on this board by pressing Fn and then using Alt, menu, Control and question mark. Now here's a little typing test, and remember there hasn't been anything done to this board. I think for 75 bucks these tabs are pretty solid. Yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and see you in the next one. Cheers.